Hi class, this is Amanda, and for my quiz review, I am going to do question 10, which reads, what is the main purpose of Rule 1.4? So I pulled up Rule 1.4 of the ABA Rules of Professional Conduct, and it has to do with communications. And it states that a lawyer shall promptly inform the client of any decision or circumstance with respect to which the client's informed consent, as defined in Rule 1.0, is required by the rules. Reasonably consult with the client about the means by which the client's objectives are to be accomplished. Keep the client reasonably informed about the status. Promptly comply with reasonable requests, and consult the client about any relevant limitation on the lawyer's conduct when the lawyer knows the client expects assistance not permitted by the rules of professional conduct. And B, a lawyer shall explain a matter to the extent reasonably necessary to permit the client to make informed decisions regarding the representation. So our choices here, the first one is reducing the amount of work the lawyer will need to do with the client. If we go back over here, it says nothing about the amount of work. I mean, that's pretty common sense, but if you look through the rule, it doesn't say anything about that here. Allowing the lawyer to exercise reasonable control over the client's decisions. I could see how someone could think that, considering the status of the matter, request for information, but down here it says, shall explain a matter necessary to permit the client to make informed decisions regarding the representation. So that's not really allowing the lawyer control over the client's decision. Here we have a line, allowing the client to actively participate in the representation, and all of these pretty much point to ways that the client is participating. So that could be it. And then we have minimizing the chances that the client will sue the lawyer for malpractice. Now, that doesn't really fit with this because this is, I mean, the basics of what you expect when you hire a lawyer. So, based on this particular rule, which is Rule 1.4, the answer would be allowing the client to actively participate in the representation.